Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. Alright guys, in this video we will continue with how can we take data from user, and I'm going to use forms again. If you remember our previous video, we already used how to get data using by models. Now I'm going to show you how we can use IFormCollection to get data from user as well. Let's start using by model again because I will add something different. Okay. Before lesson I add my data from user controller as well, and I did some preparation. You can download from my GitHub or you can add this preparation. Stop the video and you can do the preparation and continue with me. It's up to you guys. Okay, let's add a new view for our add product. It's going to be an empty. All right. Now I'm going to make a quick try to use model binding using our model. I'm going to copy from my form. All right, let's add here. Perfect. Let's take this to the right side. Perfect. Our method name is add product. Okay, we are going to use talk helpers, by the way. What was our? Okay, I'm going to copy this section. Doesn't matter, all of them will be okay. Let's copy. Let's copy this form. Perfect. All right. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Perfect. Let's copy my action name. Let's copy my controller name. Perfect. Method is going to be post. Let me show you my model. This is going to be product, name, quantity, and price. Let's change. Yep. Let's add our model first. New product. Let's add. Perfect. We add our product. Name is okay. Let's add quantity and let's add price. Perfect. It's all good. Let's make it quick try. Actually, I put my breakpoint in the wrong place. Let me change it. I need to put it here. HTTP post, yeah. Let's delete it. Perfect. Alright, let's go to data user, data from user slash, what was the name of our data from user add product. Let's go. Yeah, data, this is too much. Perfect. Let's add brick. Let's add, we need to change placeholder, by the way. Quantity 15, the price is 12.52. Let's send it. Perfect. Let's have a look. We received our item and this is our name, price, and quantity. What if I sent another object has the same property? Is it going to match automatically again? Let's try now. I create another product class which is called old product, but it has the same property, like identical. Let's change old product, and we are receiving new product, but we are sending the same property with the old product. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Guys, this is not the best practice the best practice is you should use the same models if you're doing manually binding. But I would like to show you, I would like to point out every different variety of model binding. It's up to you how to choose how to move forward in your project. Okay, let's go data from user with product, and I'm gonna add the same informations, whatever. Let's send it. Okay, this is, we received new product. We used our SAP for new product properties, and we send it. Let's have a look at our product. As you can see, it is binded automatically. We can have this result in this section. The property name is much more important to object type. It means once we send our data from our form to our controller, the object type converted automatically. This is really important information. Alright, let's continue with our other section. Let's close this one, close that one. Let's make this section command line. It's not you, sorry. You. What if I would like to use IFormCollection to receive data? Let's open this section. Oops. Let's go to view. Now I'm not going to use AS4 because I'm not going to use model anymore. Let's delete it. I'm going to use name attribute. Okay, I'm going to send name quantity price again. Let's fix the and placeholders. Perfect. And let me have a look again. Okay, these are attributes. These are IFormCollection. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's send the data and see what's gonna happen. All right. What was the name of our, yeah, this is the place. Let's say cement quantity 12, price 6. Let's send it. As you can see, we received something. Let's have a look. This is our data. We have 4 keys here. Let's have a look. Name, quantity, and price. So it means IFormCollection just catch the name of our property. So how we can get the value? Let's stop our application. So we are going to use indexer. Yeah. Let's say data. Our key is name. Okay. Var name is comes from data. Let's copy quantity and price. This is our property. This is our other property. Oops, sorry. Yeah, perfect. Let's put our breakpoint here now. Let's start again. Perfect. Let's say cement 12, 6. All right. Name, as you can see, cement. Quantity is 12. Price is 6. As you can see, guys, we used IFormCollection, and this class catched the properties and values as a key value relation. Once you use indexer, with your key, it is going to return a value of the related property, related attribute. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish this lesson here. I assume you understand how we are able to get data from user using forms. If you have any questions, do not hesitate, drop the comment below the video. And if you like the video, I will be really appreciated as it really motivates me. Take care of yourself, see you on next lesson, bye bye.